Hi! In front of me is STK LIFE 9 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this smartphone. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing system. Now tap on languages and input virtual keyboard. And finally Gboard. Oh, so there's some kind of misclick. Okay, virtual keyboard and now Gboard. Then go into text correction, scroll down and click on this switcher next to autocorrection feature. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!